Phela sonto iChiefs izobe nabalandeli okokuqala emidlalweni wayo emva kwamasizini amabili. Ngaphezulu kwalokho lo mdlalo uzodlalelwa eFNB Stadium ngomgqibelo kusihlwa bebhekene neqembu eliyinkinga iSupersport United.
It's long weekend, so that might influence ticket sales as well. But you'll see when you enter the venue, there's more access gates open. There's the checkpoint and the scanning points are not at the turnstiles. It's just opposite the grey gates, as we call it. All the turnstiles are open. We've installed a counting system at the turnstiles. There's a dedicated gate now. We all know the Toyota zone, where those spectators and patrons will enter. So there was a whole different planning around access to the venue to make it more accessible to the fans and to enhance your stadium experience.
iChiefs izoqinisekisa imigomo ye-COVID-19 kwazise leli qembu lake lakhahlanyezwa i-COVID-19 ngasekuqaleni kuKazibandlela nokwaphoqa ukuthi iphuthwe imidlalo yayo ye-Premiership emibili.
I'm saying to vaccinated and non-vaccinated supporters, please come to the stadium. We have the systems that accommodate you. If you're not vaccinated, come with your test and make sure that you can be part of the experience.
If the supporters really get behind that strategy, you know, we have shown that we can progress this year, but we haven't shown the consistency to prove to the supporters that they can believe that we're going to win the championship. So that's what they want to see. So long this club has not shown the supporters that you can believe that we're going to win the championship.
IKaizer Chiefs isendaweni yesithathu kuloko ngamaphuzu angama-29 emva kwemidlalo engama-22. Abadlali bafuna ukubuyela emqhudelanweni weCAF Interclub ngesizini elandelayo kukodwa okuyobenza befezele liphupho uqinisekisa ukuthi abasuka endaweni yabo yesithathu.
Another motivation, we know how it is to play CAF, so we want to go there again. That's why we're going to make sure that with our games that are remaining now, we get maximum points.
Abalandeli bagqugquzela ukuba besheshe bafike enkundleni ukuze kuqinisekiswe imigomo ye-COVID-19.